this is the best backyard ever.
Surprise! Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh! No! No! Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, wow! This is... No! This is impossible.
Danny was diagnosed with a rare form of pediatric brain cancer at just 3 years old. Danny has bravely endured years of chemotherapy and still battles seizures and developmental challenges. Although he's not cancer-free, his condition is stable and his spirit remains unbreakable.
Walking down the hallway to Danny's room, I had already seen what they did to our room and then the girls' room, and I knew his room was going to be extraordinary.
Oh my gosh! So good! Wow. I loved it because usually he's a little bit guarded. He's not always sure of how he's supposed to react in situations because he's not great with social things. Even one of the girls whispered, that's the most genuine reaction I've ever heard out of Danny, like really from his heart where he hasn't been guarded. And
he just loved it.
What is that?
Holy cow.
This guy, David Wright, he just, you know, turns out he's a fan.
Oh my gosh! Danny, boy, your favorite player!
In 2014, the DiFilippo's loving household was turned upside down when they received some life-altering news.
I was laying on the couch, I was trying to take a nap, and my mom put the phone on. She thought it was just like a telemarketer or something, and I remember the doctor's voice saying that she thought I had the leukemia.
Gabby has bravely endured more than 2.5 years of daily treatments and has made significant progress on her road to recovery. For all of her life, Gabby has shared a small, cramped bedroom with her older brother. And although home improvement projects have been discussed for years, extended hospital stays have put those projects on hold. Without further ado, shall we?
Yes, let's
Follow
do it.
me.
Whoa!
Oh, wow.
Wow! Oh, Gabby! And the secret garden!
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at my desk.
Oh, Gabby. When we first walked into Gabby's room, it is Gabby. That room is Gabby. Yeah. From the quotes to the wallpaper.
The flowers remind me of Secret Garden. The green reminds me of Anne of Green Gables. It's so cool to have all that.
We know you love to read. We wanted to give you a place to read and sit.
You have a lamppost.
You do have a lamppost.
I have a lamppost.
You have a lamppost. The Glacken family were living the dream until 4-year-old Thomas received a diagnosis that's every parent's worst nightmare.
So Thomas was diagnosed with embryonal rhabdomyosarcoma in September of 2018.
Thomas has bravely battled his illness while becoming known around town as the Tomlodon. Far more than a nickname, it's become a way of life. When your kid is sick with cancer and you already have 2 jobs, it doesn't leave a lot of time for home improvement projects. And Tommy's punch list is massive. That's why I'm bringing in my team to tackle it head on. Welcome home! The focus of this whole project, obviously, is you, Mr. Tomlodon, the product through the doors, but it's really about the Glackens as a family. Without further ado, shall we do this?
Yes!
Madeline, what do you think?
All
right, let's go. After you.
This is so beautiful. This is like an oasis. Are you kidding me? Look at their face. This is unbelievable.
Whoa.
It looks like something out of a magazine.
It does.
Like it's like the patio, the garage.
The garage door, it's now not broken, and I can actually go in and get the kids' bikes. Look at this table and the what is this even
Papers?
called? Papers.
No, I'm here.
Take a look in the backyard. Oh my God, guys, this is the best backyard ever. Tom, look at this shark. It's just the most beautiful backyard we could ever imagine.
You guys want to see what we did inside?
Yeah!
All right. Punch list, no more.
Whoa.
This is
God,
amazing.
look at this. Like I knew this house was just a whole punch list,
But
I
like
wasn't
now
expecting...
it's all done for
No,
you.
everything's
It's
done.
crazy.
I don't have to worry about anything.
Like the moldings, like the bottom moldings.
I don't have to do anything.
I'm gonna
Where's Alexa? Alexa? That's so cool.
You can put snacks in there.
You could put snacks in there.
You need to have a place to put your snacks.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God, this is awesome. Look at this. Oh my, Tom, you're gonna have a heart attack. You're gonna have a heart attack.
I think it's gonna bring us together even more. Because now I can concentrate on family.
Back in December of 2015, we noticed there were some issues going on. Like he was right-handed, and then he started to write with his left hand. And then Patrick noticed
weakness on
the right side.
I checked to see if he had a broken arm, a broken leg, or something. It was nothing. And then we realized something is more serious.
We went to the pediatrician, and she referred us to a neurologist. And when we got the CT scan, they showed a mass. Because as a mother, to see your baby go through that is like the end of the world, you know. It's like, but Jude really helped to strengthen me because he knows he will get better. He doesn't think fatalistic in any way. He just knows that it will be better.
He would tell you that, you know, it's okay. He doesn't mean it's okay to be in that position, but he knows that something good is going to come out of it.
While hanging out with the Thomas family, I learned that along with Jude's diagnosis, they also recently suffered a devastating apartment fire that left them homeless. After being displaced, they finally moved into their first home, but it needs a lot of TLC. I want to take this off their plate with a life-changing, stress-relieving renovation.
Should I close my eyes?
Not yet, not yet. You don't need to close your eyes yet. Thomas family, welcome home.
Oh my gosh! No! No! Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow! This is... No! This is impossible. Wow! Oh gosh! How in the world? Oh my gosh!
How they did this, how they put this together, it's a master act.
I couldn't even figure out what was there before, like how it was. You need to pinch me so I can wake up.
I love my house.
Oh my gosh.
But as Micah said, he thought we was at our neighbor's house instead of our own home.
He actually calls it a mansion. He said, finally we have our mansions.
Oh my gosh, let me see this. Oh no, no. Whoa! Oh my, look over there, look. That's the boss right there. That's me right there. Look at that.
The new bedroom is a boy's oasis.
That's a boy cave.
Yeah, right, exactly.
That's what it is, a
That's
boy's
the best
cave.
way to
Yes.
say it. Wow.
Hi, this is nice. You got your desk, Jude, you can draw?
Dude.
It means a lot to us because, you know, all this came together because of Jude and the trial that he had. He's not only excited, but he's happy. So I'm going to my room and I'm going to draw.
Yeah. Jude, your spinny chair. Both of you, yeah, so no squabbles.
Thank you.
I was diagnosed in February of 2015 with breast cancer. It was right after my 40th birthday. I was the healthiest I've ever been in my life, and then boom.
Honestly, I didn't even know how to deal with it. It's like you're back against the wall, and it was very, very difficult. It was. And she pulled through. She's a trooper. It didn't stop her.
Raquel has been through so much, yet she continues to put others first. And because of that, her home office has taken a back seat. I want to help her with her life-changing work by creating a very special space for the whole family. Welcome home.
Thank you.
We're all living through this storm, and I felt like you guys, your home needs to be the eye. It needs to be that calm while the craziness goes around you. Without further ado, you want to see what we did?
Ready?
Yes.
All right, follow me.
Oh, what is happening to my life? Walking into the house, it was like walking into my heart. George!
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm
Thank you.
speechless. I have to tell you, I'm speechless. That's
I'm never speechless.
You're never speechless. You're just getting
No
started.
words.
Just getting started. All right, keep on going. Keep on going. We'll save the dessert for last.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Oh, wow.
Look at the chandelier. Chandelier you always want.
We want to add a little
Oh
glam, you know?
my
She's the only girl in a house full of boys, you know?
Yes.
We knew you needed more storage, so we wanted to give you more built-in. So there's organization galore.
Whose house is this, George? God.
It's your house. Shall we?
Yes.
Surprise! Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This.
This is not the same room.
Oh my.
And truly a throne for a queen.
Look how pretty.
We provide safe spaces for women every single day. And this is now gonna be my safe space where I can reflect on the work that I do, but also purpose every minute of my day in a guided way where I can continue to make the impact that I do. Be your own kind of beautiful.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.